Little storyteller.
Barnaby the gardener loved flowers more than anything. He had bright round eyes and wore big green overalls. His little garden was full of sunshine and buzzing bees. One sunny morning, Barnaby planted a tiny seed. "Grow, little seed, grow," he whispered, patting the soil gently. He imagined a big, colorful flower. The next day, Barnaby checked his garden. A tiny green sprout peeked out of the soil. Barnaby was so excited, but he thought it was growing too slowly. "I know how to make it faster," he said to himself. He gently took hold of the little sprout and tried to pull it up a bit. Just a little tug, he thought. But the delicate sprout snapped. Barnaby looked at the broken stem in his hand, his face sad. A fluffy white bunny with long ears hopped over and watched with wide, curious eyes. Barnaby felt a little tear roll down his cheek. He carefully placed the broken sprout back in the soil, but he knew it wouldn't grow anymore. He sat down on the soft grass, feeling disappointed. The fluffy bunny nudged his hand with its nose, as if to say, "It's okay." The sun shone warmly. Barnaby looked around his garden at the other flowers, swaying gently in the breeze. He noticed a bright red ladybug crawling slowly on a green leaf. He watched a busy bee collecting nectar from a yellow daisy. Everything in nature had its own perfect way and speed. Barnaby smiled. He understood now. He needed to be patient and let things grow at their own pace. He gently watered the other plants in his garden and sat beside them, watching and waiting. The fluffy bunny sat beside him. Weeks passed. Barnaby continued to care for his garden, watering it and making sure it had plenty of sunshine. He didn't try to rush anything. Then, one beautiful morning, he saw a new sprout pushing through the soil where the broken one had been. It was small but strong. Soon the new sprout grew bigger and bigger. Finally, a beautiful, bright yellow flower bloomed. Barnaby clapped his hands with joy. The fluffy bunny hopped happily around the flower. Barnaby learned that just like it takes time for a seed to become a flower, being patient helps good things grow. Did you know that plants need sunshine, water, and time to grow big and strong?
Please subscribe. Thank you.